What's crack-a-lackin' Instagram? I thrifted for a whole day yesterday at the Goodwill bins, and I sold it all right here, right now. Just got done on Whatnot. Whatnot is a live selling platform, and I have a lot of fun on there. You guys have to let me know, though. I made roughly, you'll find out at the end of the video, I sold all this stuff. Sold all that stuff, just some very basic stuff, nothing crazy, and I made a little bit of money. You have to let me know if you think it'd be worth it. Watch the video, I'll tell you more as the video goes on. Here we go. What's crack-a-lackin' YouTube? It is officially my spring break. Holler, we made it. Unfortunately, I had to cancel my plans. I was gonna get up this morning and drive 6 hours away, but I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I canceled. But I can't sit around and do nothing. I gotta do something fun. It's my spring break. So I'm gonna go to the bins all day today, and every single item that I thrift is gonna be sold on Whatnot tomorrow. Now, if you're watching this video, you probably already missed the Whatnot live auction, but you can go follow me on Whatnot because I will be live every Saturday or at least once a week for the foreseeable future, until summer hits at least. But Whatnot is a ton of fun. The items don't sell for really that much. My average sale price is like $6 or $7. But when I'm only paying $1 at the bins and going live is a lot of fun, it's totally worth it. And we're gonna see how much I can make today, thrifting one day, selling it all on Whatnot. So we'll see what these margins are like. We're gonna have a ton of fun. Spring break, baby. Stick around with me. Like the video, here we go. Just left the bins at the noon rotation. I got one sweatshirt and then a couple t-shirts, nothing too crazy. Only spent $4. This is like a Google B. I don't know what that means. Found a wrap tee in the thrift. Tupac, look at that, single stitch. That means it's vintage. Even though there's a screen printed tag, single stitch means vintage, always. Just kidding. I got a little piece shirt, tie-dye action, and then an Astro World t-shirt. So I spent $4 at the noon rotation. This one's probably the coolest out of the bunch. Little Astro World hit. That brings our total to $18. Tomorrow's the live show. I'm still gonna go back to the bins 2 more times today, so hopefully we can add to the show. Here we go. All right, YouTube, I'm back. It's the next day. I'm actually 1 hour away from going live. I have everything washed, clean, ready to go, ready to sell. I forgot to film in the thrift store again yesterday. I did go back 2 more times. Everything I got yesterday is going up on this Whatnot live auction. I'm very curious to see how much money I can make from these quick flips. I bought everything yesterday. I spent a total of 14, 10, 4, 3, and 5. 5 trips to the thrift store yesterday. Total of $36 spent, and I got exactly 40 items. Now, I have only shown you like, I think half. I think I only got like 1 video clip. I'm so sorry about that. I wasn't feeling the best yesterday, and it just didn't really cross my mind to continue to film when I was in there. I don't really remember exactly what I've showed you guys. I'm just gonna run through all this stuff. What I'm really aiming for with this Whatnot live auction, this one's cool. If this was a large, I probably would have kept it. Just a simple Russell. It's really cool. What I'm really aiming for, though, is just to see what I can get out of a quick flip. These shorts are also really cool. Really cool. A one-piece t-shirt, too. So I kind of try to just do graphic t-shirts. Graphic t-shirts do really well and whatnot. Just very, like, plain, simple, basic type of stuff. Here's a Tommy Hilfiger. As you saw, a couple crew neck sweatshirts. There's an Iowa State. Here's a Dare to Resist Drugs. That's the teacher in me right there. Minnesota Vikings. So as you can see, nothing too crazy, but these are perfect for just going live, hanging out, selling some shirts, and bringing in the money. I don't know, did y'all see this? This is another crew neck, USA crew neck. I'm not going to unfold it. This is one of the better tees of the bunch. It's a Jesus tee. It says saved, washed whiter than snow. It's a Jesus tee that kind of makes fun of laundry detergent. Anyway, back to what I was saying, though. I am just curious to see what this quick flip is going to turn into. You know, hypothetically, I could do this every day in the summer. I am a teacher. I have my summers off, and I want to test the waters and see how it does. So I will come back to you guys here in about 2 hours after the live show, and I'll let you know how it went, how I did. Some of these t-shirts, like this one, might do pretty well, even though this is new. Like that might do well. Another Iowa tank top. I think I showed the Astro World tee. I don't know if I showed the Nike hoodie, but you got some more crew necks and stuff. This is pretty stained up, but again, it's just a cool graphic, so I picked it up, even though it does have stains. All in, right, I have $36 on 40 items. If they all sell at $4 an item, that'd be $360, but not everything's guaranteed to sell. I do it all to go auction at the end, so I will get rid of all this stuff, but it's not guaranteed. Yada, yada, yada. Now I'm rambling, so I'll cut back in here with you guys after the live show. I hope you tuned in. I hope some of you guys were able to get on the live show. If you want a cheap tea, or if you just want to show support, or if you just want to hang out, if you want to have a beer, I'll probably crack a beer on the live show. So, you know what? It's fun. It is fun. So, but can we make money? That's the question to be answered. Here we go. Okay, YouTube, I just ended the Whatnot Live. It did not go quite as well as I planned. It also didn't go as long as I planned. I was going to start all the auctions off at $4, but I started them all off at $3 because in my head, I'm thinking, like, I basically paid $1 per item. If I can sell it for at least $3, then I am still making $1 on my dollar. I'm making $1 on my buck. So, and it would be worth it because, you know what, on Whatnot, to be honest, these are all just like basic tees. I wouldn't really pick any of the stuff up if I didn't have a Whatnot live show to sell the stuff on. So yeah, a lot of this stuff I wouldn't even normally list on eBay. I would never list some of this stuff on eBay. Like this Spider-Man t-shirt sold for $3. Like, I would never list that on eBay. I'd be happy to make $1 on my buck. You know, going live on Whatnot's a ton of fun. And if I can make $1 while having fun, you know, it's a win-win situation. Some of the items did sell for around $20, like the Astro World t-shirt and the Tupac t-shirt. But what did I pay? I paid like $36, I think, for all of this. Whatnot takes 3%, and I sold $205 worth of stuff. Whatnot covers the shipping, so I don't have to worry about the shipping at all. So basically the $205, so basically take off 3% of $205. 3% of $205 is $6.15. So I made $199 minus the $36 that I had invested into this stuff. So now you're at like $160. I made $160 after going to the bins, selling a bunch of just random basic t-shirts, having fun on the Whatnot Live. Was it worth it? Yeah, it's worth it. In my opinion, it is worth it. I didn't have the best selection to go through. I didn't find like the best stuff at the bins. That's just how it goes sometimes. Yeah, anyway, long story short, I enjoy doing it, so I do think it's worth my time. I'm at the bins anyway. I'm there looking for inventory for my eBay store anyway, so I might as well be picking up this stuff and selling it off on Whatnot. That's my opinions. Let me know your guys' opinions. For $160, do you think it's worth it? Go follow me on Whatnot. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube. Summer's almost here. We're about to be back at it. Bye.